All right, here we are with the last one, number 12. I'm not going to read this whole thing through, but basically there's 3 different frame makers and they make them at different rates. One makes one frame every 5 hours, one every 3 hours, and then one every 4 hours. And they have a work week where they work from 9 to 5 every day, minus 1 hour for lunch. And in this first problem, or this first part of the problem, how many frames does this one make by 5 o'clock on Saturday of the same week? So that means she's working from Monday Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that's altogether 6 days, which I believe they mentioned in there. So 6 days times however many hours that is per day. Now, this is the only real place you can make a mistake here is by counting the number of hours per day as 8, because you have to remember that there's a 1 hour lunch break, and that's going to be crucial here. So it's 7 hours per day equals 42. It takes her, or over those 42 hours divided by the 5 hours it takes her to make 1. That's going to give us roughly 8 point something, which we would say is 8 full ones, so 8 frames. Okay, I'm going to move on to 12b because I think it's also a similarly quick type of problem. So they want us to show that after the women have all been working for 60 hours, 47 frames have been made. So we're basically using the same kind of math that we did here, number of hours divided by the amount of frames that are made per hour. So the first one has 60 hours and it takes her 5 hours to make a frame, which is 12 frames. 60 hours, 3 hours to make one frame, that's 20 frames. 60 hours divided by 4 hours to make a frame is 15 frames. And if you add all of those together, 12 plus 20 plus 15 is 47.